If your creatinine levels are rising, this morning habit could be making things worse, but the fix might be as simple as changing what's on your breakfast plate. Did you know that what you eat first thing in the morning can decide how well your kidneys perform throughout the day? Most people unknowingly start their day with foods that silently overload the kidneys: processed meats, white bread, or salty spreads. But the right breakfast choices can protect your kidneys, balance creatinine, and even slow down damage. Let's explore the top 5 breakfasts that can do exactly that. First, oatmeal with chia seeds and berries. This simple bowl is like a detox for your kidneys. Oatmeal gives you clean energy without spiking your blood sugar. Chia seeds provide anti-inflammatory omega-3s, and berries help neutralize toxins that strain your kidneys. Second, a veggie omelet made with olive oil instead of butter. Eggs offer high-quality protein, but moderation is key. 1 egg combined with fiber-rich veggies like spinach, onions, and bell peppers makes the perfect kidney-friendly breakfast, satisfying without pushing your creatinine higher. Third, Greek yogurt with cinnamon and apple slices. This mix supports both your gut and kidneys. The probiotics in yogurt help digestion and waste elimination, while apples and cinnamon keep blood sugar stable, a major factor in kidney health. Fourth, a green smoothie with kale, cucumber, and half a banana. This drink keeps you hydrated while helping your kidneys flush out waste. It's packed with antioxidants, low in potassium, and easy to digest, exactly what your kidneys need every morning. And fifth, whole grain toast topped with avocado and a sprinkle of flax seeds. This creamy combo gives you healthy fats and fiber that protect your heart and kidneys at the same time. The magnesium and potassium in avocado help balance blood pressure, one of the biggest threats to kidney health. So before you grab that processed breakfast sandwich or sugary cereal, remember, your first meal sets the tone for your entire day and your kidneys' future. Choosing the right breakfast doesn't just lower creatinine, it strengthens your body's natural detox system. Start tomorrow with one of these 5, and your kidneys will thank you with every healthy test result ahead.